Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're talking about card pointers. If you've got a bunch of credit cards and you're wondering which one to use at checkout, this app might be for you. Let's find out if it's actually worth the money. Card Pointers is an app that helps you get the most from your credit cards. It tracks over 5,000 cards from 900 banks. The app tells you which card to use at each store so you earn the most points, cashback, or miles. Think of it as a helpful helper that remembers all your card's benefits so you don't have to. Here's what makes it useful. First, it automatically adds offers from Amex, Chase, Citi, and Bank of America to your cards. This alone saves hours every month. Second, it tracks your annual fees and tells you when they're coming up. Third, it monitors spending requirements for bonus points. And fourth, the browser extension shows you the best card to use when shopping online. The autopilot feature is pretty cool too. When you walk into a store, your phone shows which cards give you the best rewards right on your lock screen. No more standing at checkout trying to remember which card does what. Now let's talk cost. There's a free version, but it's limited. The paid version called Card Pointers Plus costs $90 per year, though you can find it on sale for $40. There's also a lifetime option for $280, sometimes discounted to $140. This app works best if you have multiple credit cards. If you only have one or two cards, you probably don't need it. But if you have 5 or more cards and struggle to remember all the benefits, it could save you serious money. Users report saving over $750 per year. So, is it worth it? If you're serious about maximizing rewards and have several cards, yes, the time saved and extra rewards usually pay for the subscription quickly. But if you're casual about points or only have a couple cards, stick with the free version or skip it entirely. That's Card Pointers in a nutshell. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.